on these streets, anything goes. Boom bap echoes through the alleys at night. Soulful samples lift the darkness to light. Deep kicks pound like a heartbeat fight. These gritty vibes keep my story in sight. Graffiti on the walls paint the struggle and climb. The clock keeps spinning but I'm owning my time. Words like puzzle pieces fitting tight in the rhyme. Snares punch louder than the city's own chime. Boom bap echoes through the alleys at night. Soulful samples lift the darkness to light. Deep kicks pound like a heartbeat fight. These gritty vibes keep my story in sight. Street lights flicker on this endless trail. Each corner whispers a hero feel. Smooth flow cutting through the urban scale, where truths are spoken and tales unveiled. Boom bap echoes through the alleys at night. Soulful samples lift the darkness to life. Deep kicks pound like a heartbeat fight. These gritty vibes keep my story in sight. Streetlights flicker on this endless trail. Each corner whispers a hero or fail. Smooth flow cutting through the urban scale, where truths are spoken and tales unveiled. Boom bap echoes through the alleys at night. Soulful samples of the darkness to light. Deep kicks pounds like a heartbeat fight. These gritty vibes keep my story in sight.
Solawat pada lain Quran kan bagjama teh kabagi dua ibu ada ahli solawat ayat tukang solawat. Ahli tukang solawat mah memang biasa naik baca solawat, namun diiming-imingi dengan perkara lain, contoh ditambahan ku seni supaya lebih indah. Tukang solawat lah ahli solawat mari pakai seni dan pakai seni, yang penting dia terus bahasa bibirnya mengucapkan sallallahu alaihi wasallam, mengucapkan Allahumma shalli ala Muhammad, mengucapkan sallallahu alaihi wasallam sambil nyerucut cai socana sambil ku solawat eta ngajadikeun dirina tambah cinta turut taat ka Allah jeung Rasulna eta.
Shadows play. The wind hums as they flow down.